CK Balance Power is 100% fermented ginseng extract powder and helps to support the immune system and recover from exhaustion and fatigue. Once a day, dissolve 200 milligrams in water and ingest. Can also be dissolved into yogurt, honey, or other beverages. This product can be taken before or after meals. The ingredients of CK Balance Power. CK Balance Power is produced using 100% South Korean ginseng that you can trust and applied bioconversion technology to increase absorption rates. CK Balance Power and H. CK Balance H contains fermented ginseng extract powder and 9 types of medicinal herbs that help to boost the immune system and recovery from fatigue.